What is the all-seeing eye? It is round, not oval, round, round. And it's made of crystals with many facets that have many faces on the outside. And then you, I, the seed of Jim or Rose or anybody else or anybody is in the living center, not the dead center, the living center. And you see round about, all things coming into one, round about. What a beautiful sight. When Alita passed away, that inner eye that was left to us on the right eye as a model, and the left eye had to keep working until it brought it up into a new frequency. And that is what you and I have been doing. It is the dark matter that gives us the information. It is the dark matter that gives us that eyeball that's in the center, and that eyeball finally becomes the crystal eye. And once it becomes the crystal eye, the darkness can never take it back. Never. If we look at the kingdom of heaven above, we will see that it has these particular structures that must disappear. Number one is the globus pallidus. That is, the left eye is not as clear as the right eye. It is pale, has no light. The next one is the crystalline lens. A true eye has no lens. So that must go, because that's the aqueous, the water part. Then it has the amygdala, and the amygdala means the oval shape, which is an outside shape. So they must all go. And when they go, you and I will finally unleash that eye in the left side, because that's the eye that has come up to an active standard over the eye on the right side that God left us as a sample, if I may say so. So when we have two eyes, see, and they go down and down and down and down to a focal point, the two eyes become the one. And then it is the crystalline eye. And what's a crystalline eye? A crystalline eye is an eye with the seed inside that has many facets or faces on the outside. So you see, we will see inside from all sides, round about.
Could you explain more about the seed in the eye?
The seed?
You said seed.
The seed, S-E-E-D, is the thing that sees, S-E-E. And it's in the center of the eye. And when it's in the center of the eye, it sees round about. It sees everything at once. So the poor shall inherit the earth. And what is the earth? What comes out of the earth? That seed that finally becomes a crystal ball, which is one on one side, one on the other side, two half wheels. And as they converge and converge and go right to the very end, they become one. One. With all the experiences that it has ever gained.